You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 8.3998. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 0.4762. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 8.3998.